Hello and welcome to DrawPlus. We're going to check out a feature called the Replicate tool today. Essentially, it allows you to duplicate your currently selected object or group of objects. You can do this both horizontally and vertically, and it provides a very efficient and accurate way of effectively copying and pasting your selection as many times as you require. To get started, we'll choose an A4 portrait document and draw an ellipse using the Quick Ellipse tool. Then we'll select the Replicate tool. With the ellipse selected, we'll click drag to the down and to the right until we start to see duplicates of the shape appear. Once we are happy with the number of shapes, we'll let go of the mouse button to confirm our choice. DrawPlus has grouped all of these ellipses together, meaning we can easily select and move them around. If we want to get creative and change individual shapes, we can simply ungroup them, then select them one by one. For this example, we can change the fill color of each ellipse to create a colorful array. We'll follow similar steps to create and duplicate a chevron. This time, however, we'll change the spacing mode, which allows us to control the spacing between each replicated object. By dragging the bounding box, we can see we've created an effect where the chevrons are staggered against one another. We can also turn on spacing mode whilst still in replicate mode by holding down the Alt key on the keyboard before click dragging. This also works conversely for replicate mode whilst in spacing mode. Again, we can ungroup the objects and change their fill color separately for a more interesting effect. Let's look at the effect of spacing vertically. We can create a quick wave shape, replicate it vertically several times, and use spacing mode to stack them together. We can then ungroup the shapes and color them separately to give the waves some depth. The Replicate tool can also be used on text, and we'll use it to create some text with an extrusion effect. Selecting the Replicate tool, we'll replicate it several times, then use spacing mode to stack them together very closely. Finally, ungrouping the replicated text means we can select the top layer and change its color to a grey, highlighting the extrusion effect. These are just a few examples of what the Replicate tool can help you achieve quickly and accurately. To find out more about DrawPlus, see the Learn section of the Startup Assistant. Thank you for watching.